I have the blurred effect. Look at that. Ooh, so excited. And it's just wallpaper. Why am I so excited about wallpaper? Because it just brings me joy in life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dominique. I'm excited about this. In today's video, we're doing a DIY wallpaper install. But before I move on to the video, what are you doing? Hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Go subscribe, wherever it is, subscribe. Alright, let's move on to the video. I'm using this item right here as my wallpaper. This is the DC Fix Decorative Self-Adhesive Film Gray Marble 17 inches by 78 inch roll. Got it from Amazon for $7.53, and this was included in my Amazon/Target haul. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. And it has a glossy finish. The instructions are on the back. So I figured out how I'm going to position it. I just need a small space for a backdrop. I should have bought a second one of this one. So if you are going to purchase this one, I would suggest buying at least two to get the maximum use out of it. I only have one, so you know I'm going to make it work. Let's keep going. I placed something on the floor just so I don't scratch it or mess it up. I folded it in half just to make it even. Make a seam right here and just cut it. Now if you have an X-Acto knife, which I do have but I can't find it, you can use that. It's actually my first time doing a DIY wallpaper install. It looks pretty straight to me. So next I'm just taking a damp paper towel and I wet it with just plain water, and I'm going to wipe down the wall. Just making sure we have a clean base for the wallpaper to stick to. I'm going to let that dry for a few minutes and then we'll come right back. This is about the level that I'll be sitting. I already marked where I want the wallpaper to go. Let's go ahead and apply. To smooth this out onto the wall, you can use a card, your ID card or your credit card, or you can actually buy the correct utensil for that. I'm just going to be using my portable charger to smooth it out. It's a little hard doing it by yourself, so use a couple of these to pin it down. I'm going to pin this corner just to give me a little extra help. Next, just going to peel this back. And there's already some wrinkles that started appearing. Make sure everything is even out. I'm also sliding the backing of it slowly to eliminate any bubbles or wrinkles. Now let's move on to the next piece. Try to align it with the second one as far as where the lines meet. If you can't, then that's fine, but try your best to do that. Taking this to help me position it, pull the backing, just smooth it out. And that's it. This is just the texture of the wall. It's actually completely smoothed down. There's some areas where you can't tell where the two pieces meet, and then there's other areas where you can tell, but it doesn't bother me that much, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. We have our new backdrop. What do you guys think? Is it nice? Is it nice? I really like it. If you like it and you like how easy it was and how affordable it was, give it a thumbs up and let me know that you guys enjoy these videos and you want more. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Comment, share, like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again with my next video. Bye.